What's up, guys? One Low Magma with Miami Auto Bros coming at you this time. We're gonna do a spoiler on the truck. No, I'm just playing. We're gonna be doing a spoiler on this BMW right here, 2024 M4030. You're gonna see how simple it is to put a spoiler on your car, give it that extra special sporty look. If you're seeing this, make sure you like it, subscribe, make sure you follow the channel. You wanna make sure you're up to date on all these videos. We're gonna go ahead and get started on the spoiler on this BMW. It comes in 3 pieces, and we're gonna be using double-sided tape and self-tapping screws that come with the kit. Super simple. They're nice and small, so you don't have to worry about rubbing it into your radiator or intercooler or anything like that. It's just going to catch on the plastic, and you really want to make sure you use the screws because the tape is not going to hold your front spoiler in when you hit a parking or when you're going over 50 miles an hour. All right, you want to start by lifting the car. You want to lift it up a couple inches. Your car doesn't have to factory jack, so Mr. Magma gave us his factory jack for a bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to start at each corner. There's a little tip, just how I did my spoilers. You want to go ahead and open up the 4. There's going to be 4 spots where the bolts are going to go, and it came with those short bolts like I showed you at the beginning. What you want to do is start up the hole and start the bolt. So now you've got your screws set, 3, 4. So now you're not fidgeting with the screws when you're trying to install this piece. The other thing I do is when I put the double-sided sticky tape, I don't take the whole backing off. You're only going to start with a little bit and leave yourself an overhang, so that once you got it where you want it and you know it's there, then you can start peeling the red part, and we're going to do that now. All right, now that's just held by tape, and now we're going to cinch down the 4 screws. Once you have your spoiler all set in with the screws, and now we're just going to tie them all together, and you're done. And just like that, you put your spoiler on your BMW. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you comment if this helped you out and you put a spoiler on your BMW. You watch this video, put a comment in us, guys. Come on, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching Miami Auto Bros.